Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on CrushOn AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the CrushOn app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead and launch the app. Now on the screen, you can see 5 options on the bottom of the screen and 3 categories on the top of the screen. If you tap on any of those, a menu will prompt up from the bottom of the screen. From there, go ahead and tap on login. Now you can see option like sign in with Google, sign in with Apple, or sign in with email. Go ahead and tap on the empty boxes on the bottom of the screen. Then tap on sign in with Google and tap on continue. Now from accounts.google.com, select the account that you want to continue with, then tap on continue. Once you do that, you'll see you've successfully signed up to CrushOn AI. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign up on CrushOn AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.